Alright, welcome back to the channel here today, and we have another EDC tool of the week review and unboxing for you. This is the Pursuit flashlight and knife combo kit. This is found at Cabelas and Bass Pro Shops, and at the time of filming this video these are $9.99 in store. Not sure if they sell them online. If they do, I'll put a link in the description. But so a nice little budget EDC combo kit here. They come in all kinds of different colors. This one here is in purple. It's my wife's favorite color. I got this for her. She wants to try out EDC for a while, see if it's something for her. And we're going to open this up, look at the quality here. This carabiner here I just showed you, that does come with it. Whatever color you get, that comes with it as well. That's how they hang it up and display it, and you get to keep that. So not bad, just your average carabiner. We'll set that aside, open this up on the side here, and we'll pull this whole guy out. Now I will say before I set this aside, this is a nice little case here. It's got this seal and everything, and you could probably use this for EDC. You put some stuff in there, maybe make a little travel kit, first aid kit. Who knows, but not bad. I'll definitely hold on to that. So bringing this back here, I'll pull this off, turn it around for you here so you can see what we got here. Shows you a little bit about it. Flashlight 75 lumens, AAA. Not bad, not bad. 420 steel on the knife, 2.5 inch blade length, 3.5 inch closed length. We'll measure that, see if it's accurate. Sometimes it's not, but it might be. So set that aside here. First of all, I would want to point out this knife does have a pocket clip. You can't see it the way they package it this way. I don't know why they do that, but it does have a pocket clip. Not bad either. Nice heavy duty steel clip, really, for the money. And so open this up. Kind of got a reverse tanto there. And yeah, I mean, that's not the sharpest knife in the world, but it's not bad. Let's try the sticky note test here. Let's see. It's okay. I could probably sharpen this 10 minutes and make this better, but it is sharp enough to do that. It's got a nice weight to it, to be honest, for what it is. I think this is like an aluminum body, but it's not plastic, so it's kind of surprising. It's got a liner lock there, pretty standard for the price range. And let's see if I can, it's a little sticky, but I think I can off camera here. Yeah, if I do it off camera, I can get enough space to, I'll try and do it here for you. Yeah, I can flick it open if you give it enough effort. It'll probably break in. This price point, it's going to be pretty stiff. It's not the smoothest in the world. It's not a Benchmade, okay? This isn't Benchmade and Olight, okay? This is $10. So let's take a look at the flashlight here. It's got the switch on the back. Turn that on. It's pretty bright. I'm sure it's hard to tell on camera. There is only one setting, okay? So it's not double setting. And this opens up here. And you got AAA inside. It does come with the battery. I'm sure that won't last long, but it does come with it. There was a little plastic slip on it to keep it from turning on the box. I took that out previously. But you know, not bad for $10. I think it'd be hard to beat for someone who's just getting into EDC, trying out to see if it's for them. I was impressed with this light in particular. Has a double function clip, so just show you that here. So it's got like the regular clip for your pocket, and then it's got this other clip, this kind of a back clip. So what that's for is, like, if you want to put it on your hat, like if you wear a ball cap, kind of like this, and then you can be hands-free, or set this down. I guess you could do it the other way too if you wanted to. It really doesn't make a difference. So these are surprisingly heavy-duty clips, I think, for the price point. And you could do it that way too, I guess. Okay, and then you just turn it on and you could be hands-free with whatever you're looking at, if that works for you. And then, let's see, I got a pair of jeans here. I'm just gonna show you the clips on the knife and the light here. If you were gonna, carry them together, probably put this one in first, at the corner of your pocket if you were doing the right pocket like I typically do, or if you're left, maybe do it the other way. Man, these are very stiff clips. It's kind of hard to do it without wearing the pants. But for demonstration's sake, there you go. Yeah, not bad. They're very firm. They sit pretty evenly in the pocket down there. I think they'd be really comfortable, even if you were wearing like tighter jeans or something. And they're very firm clips. Like they're not coming out of there, okay? And then I have a belt as well, so I can just kind of show you. There's definitely enough room on these clips. If you wanted to do a belt carry, there's plenty of room on both of them. And obviously you turn it the other way around, but for sake of seeing it, I'd do it this way so you guys can see it. I'll pull those back off. Put that pair of jeans aside. And then we'll just measure the knife here real quick as well. Let's see, overall is from tip to back, we're right about 6 inches. If I spin away this way, you can see it better. About 6 inches. And then the blade itself, yeah, right at 2.5. I think that's what it said. 2.5. Yeah, and then closed length 3.5. Let's see if that's, yeah. So that's an accurate description. Sometimes it's a little bit off on this budget stuff, but that is accurate. So I think it's a good little kit for someone getting into EDC. I know it's not going to be the most high quality thing in the world, but for 10 bucks, I'd say it's worth a try if you're thinking about it, just to see if it's something you'll use, if you can carry. Get used to having something like that in your pockets. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. If you have one of these, let me know if you like it, if you have any issues with it, if it's falling apart, or maybe it's great for you. Maybe you just buy one of these every couple months for 10 bucks. Let me know, and we'll catch you in the next one.